requirement of the incarnation.
What we did with the Vatican workers, I realized that nothing is now hidden, and we realized that if things are well managed, Catholic Church is rich. My name is Father Soro Dogafol Sindou. I am coming from Cote d'Ivoire. I am the secretary of the conference, of the Bishop Conference in Cote d'Ivoire. The program was very important, very interesting. The opportunity to meet others, to hear from them what is going on in their dioceses, what is going on in their countries. So it is also something richer for me about the organization of the whole church in the world. As one of our friends was saying, how they can implement the way they are managing money in the Vatican. How can they help other dioceses to do like that? So I will go home with this idea that we have to well organize everything. Yes, in my country they have started organize all that is linked with finance. And from what I saw, I think that I will do, let's say, a copy of that. So we will have different departments so that transparency and accountability and evaluation be done for the well-being of the church, for the well-being of the faithful, for the well-being of bishop, priest, and everybody. Like we have to get some committee. So that is some of the elements. I will go back with it, and he will help me a lot and help our church in Cote d'Ivoire a lot.